Hello students, today we are going to discuss about super senses. Humans have 5 sense organs: sense to hear, sense to smell, sense to taste, sense to touch and sense to see. Do you think plants and animals also have sense organs? Let us discuss about this. First, we will discuss about plants. Plants do not have sense organs, but they have sense regulators and plant hormones which help the plant to grow. Plants can sense touch. Let us take an example. For example, we take the touch-me-not plant. When we touch the touch-me-not plant leaves, the leaves folds and protect itself. Plants can sense the gravity. Let us take a plant. You will observe that the roots will grow towards the ground, whereas the plant grows against to the ground. That means the roots grow towards the gravity, whereas the plant grows against to the gravity. This will show that the plants can sense gravity. They can sense weather. When the climate is very hot, the plants become weak and dry. That means it cannot get sufficient water due to sunlight. Plants has pores which help to absorb the sunlight and to make the food. This process of making the food by plants is called photosynthesis. During the daytime, pores open and absorb the sunlight, whereas during night time, the pores closes to reduce the water loss. They can sense light. Plants can sense light which help the plant to grow. Let us do an experiment on plants. Take 2 plants. First plant keep under the sunlight. Other plant keep in the dark room. Leave these 2 plants for some days. After some days, observe the plant under the sunlight. You will observe that the stem of the plant is very thick and the leaves are green in color. The plant is very strong. After observe that plant which is in the dark room. The stem is very thin and the leaves are light yellowish in color. The plant is very weak. By doing this experiment, we will observe that where the light or sunlight observed by the plant will be strong, whereas the plant which do not observe any light or sunlight, the plant is very weak and yellowish in color. These are the senses in plants. Plants do not have sense organs, but they can sense some senses. As we learnt about plants, we know that plants have some sense or some senses. Now let us discuss about animals. Animals have sense organs as similar as human beings has. Animals can hear, animals can smell, animals can taste, animals can touch. Now let us discuss about that. Animals can sense, hear. Animals has the higher power of hearing as compared to the human beings. Animals are not lazy. Animals are not inattentive because animals every time in search of food to survive. Animals can sense, hear the enemies or the friends of the animals. They can easily find out their loved ones or their enemies. They can hear the animals' sounds which they want to eat, or they can protect themselves by hearing the enemies of these animals. They can sense smell. Animals like dog have the higher power of smell. The animals has higher power of hearing and smell as compared to the human beings. Dog can smell very fastly and strongly. The dogs help the policeman or to catch the thieves or dead bodies. Not only dog but some of the animals have higher power of smell. They can smell their friends or they can smell their food. They can easily identify their food. They can sense, see, and animals can see their food from the far places. Birds also has the higher power to see. Birds like eagle can see the food from the higher distance also. Birds fly, eagle fly more distance above to the ground. It can easily see their food or other birds to eat. Animals also can sense taste as similar to the human beings. Animals can eat, and some animals eat vegetarian, some animals eat non-vegetarian, some animals are non-vegetarian. The animals can taste the items which they eat. They know the taste as similar to the human beings. They can sense the touch. When the enemies of the animals came to attack, when the animals are injured, they can feel the sense of pain as similar to the human beings. Animals are in search of food in search of food to survive. They have the all sense organs as compared to the human beings. The sense organs are very stronger than the human beings. They will search their own food. These are the sense organs or senses which we learnt about plants and animals. Plants and animals also have the senses as similar to the human beings. Thank you.